I tell you, oh Hindus, Hindu sadhus, if you guys keep quiet, that same terrorist gang which killed the sadhus yesterday, they are not going to keep quiet. They are going to come to you next. Don't think, oh, they have not attacked my ashram. They are going to come to you next. When Shankaracharya was getting attacked, lawfare and all the other harassments and abuse, other organizations, oh, it is their mutt, let them deal, let the Brahmins deal, it is not our responsibility. The Shaivite mutts keep quiet. When the Shaivite mutts are attacked, the Brahmins, oh, that is their Saivavalala's responsibility, not ours, they keep quiet. When Asaram Babu is attacked and their organization is destroyed and the lawfare happens against him and they are just decimated, terrorized and destroyed, other organizations think, oh, it is their organizations, not our problem. The same gang is going to now attack next to you. They are taking out one by one. When Sant Rampal gets attacked, the other organizations, oh, it is not ours, their organization. Maybe something wrong would have been done. I tell you, yesterday, what has happened? Mob lynching of Kalpavriksha Giri Maharaj, Sushil Giri Maharaj, Nilesh Telgane. In this, the media is little late. They have not yet released any video of showing, morphing and showing the sadhus raped some girl or did some illegal activity and they have not yet produced and shown. Usually they do that first. It's a very clear plan. First thing, they will show that that person is anti-social. Then they will do mob lynching. I don't know how they missed this time their plan. Maybe the video got deleted somewhere when they did morphing. And I tell you, they will dilute even this news. And they will try to show these three people as thieves or antisocial elements. It is a clear, like a cookie cutter. It's a clear methodology. First, they will show how they made Asaram Babu illegitimate by putting a false accusation, false case on him and destroyed literally his whole Sangha, which is one of the biggest, strongest backbone of Hinduism. And I am telling you, it is absolute false case. Asaram Babu was framed. They were framing him. Finally, they caught him in one false case. Fortunately, by the grace of Paramashiva and Mahakala Bhairava, I saved myself before they could finish me off. Whether legally or illegally, they would have finished me off if I was available for them. Fortunately, with the grace of Paramashiva and the protection of Kala Bhairava, I saved myself. Kala Bhairava saved me. That's the truth. He gave me the clear understanding and knowledge, intelligence that what is happening on us is a war. It is not some, oh, we have done some crime and it's a prosecution. No, it's a persecution. I want all my devotees, I request all my devotees, humbly, please spend little time. Let us bring international attention to this continuous mob lynching of Hindu sadhus and Hindu leaders, this continuous Hindu Holocaust happening in India and elsewhere. It is not just human rights violation, it is a Holocaust. It's Hindu genocide. You do not know how that whole area Hindus will be terrorized. This is the way the Hindu ashrams, organizations, mutts, their properties are grabbed. They are terrorized. And even now media is telling these three are thieves beaten to death by villagers in Maharashtra's Palghar district. I tell you,